Have you ever seen a plant grow faster than your own hair? A plant so powerful it can build homes, clean the air, replace plastic, and still grow back on its own without needing to be replanted. That's bamboo. While most trees take 30, 50, even 100 years to mature, bamboo shoots up in just 3 to 5 years. It's one of the fastest growing plants on Earth. But this isn't some rare rainforest secret. Bamboo is quietly powering a green revolution right now. It's being used to make furniture, paper, clothes, spoons, straws, even entire houses. And the best part? It's biodegradable, renewable, and insanely strong. So how can a simple stalk of grass be this powerful? How does it grow so fast? And why are companies worldwide replacing timber and plastic with it? Stick around, because we're about to take you behind the scenes of a bamboo farm. And you're about to see why this plant might just shape the future of the planet. Bamboo grows fast, really fast. Most trees take anywhere between 30 to 100 years to reach full maturity. That's a long wait, almost a lifetime. But bamboo? It takes only 3 to 5 years to grow tall, thick, and strong enough for harvesting. That's why it's now a top choice for people who care about sustainability. And here's something even better. After harvesting bamboo, you don't need to plant it again. Its roots stay in the ground and regrow naturally. That means less effort, less soil damage, and more harvests in less time. Because of this, bamboo farming is booming. Millions of tons are harvested every year worldwide. And this green giant is used in all kinds of products: chairs, tables, paper, flooring, clothes, food containers, and even snacks in some cultures. Fast-growing, low-maintenance, and incredibly flexible. That's what makes bamboo truly remarkable. Less land, more value. Imagine needing to cut down 12 acres of forest just to build a small 1,000 square foot house. That's a huge amount of land and lost trees. But if you switch to bamboo, you only need 1 acre to get the same job done. That's 12 times less land, and the difference is massive. Bamboo grows faster, takes up less space, and regrows without replanting. It's strong enough to replace timber in furniture, flooring, and even construction frames. Plus, it reduces the pressure on forests that take decades to regrow. With bamboo, you're not just saving space, you're saving ecosystems, protecting wildlife, and building a future that lasts. Tough terrain, smart harvesting. Not every bamboo farm sits on flat land. In many regions, especially in China and Southeast Asia, bamboo grows on steep mountain slopes. These areas are rich in soil and rainfall, ideal for bamboo, but they're also hard to access. Heavy machines can't climb those slopes without damaging the land or the bamboo itself. So instead of using machinery, farmers rely on traditional manual techniques passed down for generations. With machetes or special blades, they carefully cut mature stalks by hand, making sure not to harm younger shoots that will grow next season. Once harvested, they carry or slide the bamboo down the hills using ropes or natural pathways. This method doesn't just save fuel, it also keeps the forest ecosystem intact. It's smart, sustainable, and tailored for the rugged landscapes where bamboo thrives best. Green living with bamboo products. People everywhere are trying to live in a more eco-friendly way, and bamboo is becoming a favorite material. It's natural, safe, and breaks down easily without harming the environment. Take bamboo chopsticks, for example. Unlike plastic ones, they don't release harmful chemicals. They're made for single use, but they don't stay in landfills for years. Once thrown away, they return to nature. That's why restaurants, food stalls, and even homes are switching. You still get the same ease and hygiene without adding more plastic to the planet. It's a small change with a big impact. Clean and safe production process. Once the bamboo is shaped into products like chopsticks, it's not ready to use yet. First, every piece goes through a special cleaning bath. This solution helps kill any bacteria and stops mold from growing, which is important because bamboo is a natural material. After that, the items are placed inside a hot drying kiln. This high heat removes all moisture and fully sterilizes the product. No germs, no dampness. The result is a strong, clean, and safe bamboo product that's ready to be packed. This careful process ensures that every item you touch is fresh, hygienic, and long-lasting, without any chemicals or harmful residue. Shaping bamboo spoons and forks. Have you ever held a spoon made out of grass? It sounds strange, but bamboo spoons and forks are real, and they work better than you'd expect. Factories take long bamboo strips and place them into heavy machines that use strong pressure and high heat to press them into perfect spoon shapes. Each mold gives the bamboo its final form, smooth, curved, and ready to use. This process doesn't need any glue or chemicals, no plastic either. It's all natural. The result? Lightweight, reusable cutlery that looks good, feels good, and helps the planet. People around the world are now using these for picnics, parties, and everyday meals. They're not only strong, they're sustainable. Bamboo helps the planet. Bamboo is more than just fast-growing. It's a natural carbon sponge. It pulls in large amounts of carbon dioxide from the air and stores it in its roots, stems, and leaves. This helps reduce greenhouse gases that heat up our planet. In fact, some bamboo species absorb up to 12 tons of CO2 per hectare every year. But it doesn't stop there. When bamboo replaces materials like plastic, steel, or hardwood, the environmental impact drops even more. Less mining, less deforestation, less pollution. That means bamboo-built homes, furniture, and tools leave behind a much smaller carbon footprint, while still being strong and long-lasting. It's nature's way of fighting climate change, quietly and effectively. Bamboo paper saves trees. Did you know bamboo can replace trees in paper production? Its fibers are long, strong, and perfect for making smooth, durable sheets. And because bamboo grows back quickly after cutting, it creates a never-ending supply of raw material. Unlike trees that take decades, paper made with bamboo is not only high quality, but also breaks down easily in the environment. It's recyclable, compostable, and leaves less waste behind. By switching to bamboo paper, we can reduce the pressure on forests, protect wildlife habitats, and still keep up with the world's growing need for books, notebooks, packaging, and printing. One simple change, massive impact. Bamboo isn't just a plant, it's a solution. It's fast, strong, eco-friendly, and ready to replace plastic and wood in almost every area of life. If you're curious how these products are made or want to see full production lines in action, check out our next videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to explore more sustainable innovations that could change the world.